Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today we will be using this amount of Seamoss to turn it into a gel and then into a delicious dairy-free drink. You might be asking, what's all this hype with Seamoss? Well, Seamoss is a powerhouse of minerals. Seamoss has 92 minerals. It is said that it helps to decrease the level of mucus in the body. It also helps one to lose weight, and it has a lot of benefits. So stay tuned to see how we make this delicious drink from Seamoss. Okay, so we're going to use this amount to make our gel, and trust me, this is going to make a lot, and we're going to wash it and rinse it a couple times. Well, that's the first thing we need to do, because remember, this is coming out of the sea, the natural element, anything can be in it, and we want to ensure that we do it good. We wash it good. After washing it a couple times, well, we're going to put some water over it to soak overnight. Now, some persons call this Irish moss, but in all honesty, Irish moss is something different. This is the true sea moss, and you can go and Google it. You can Google sea moss versus Irish moss, and you'll see that Irish moss is something different. However, when you go to a store, if you order Irish moss, they might as well give you sea moss. They use that name interchangeably for sea moss. So right now, overnight, after this has been soaking overnight, you see how it has absorbed a lot of water, and how it has risen. It has like doubled or tripled in size, and this is how it looks after the water has been poured off. It's beautiful. All right, so we're going to inspect it. We're going to take out any little thing, any little debris, we take it off. So we soak the sea moss to ensure that all the salt from the sea that is in the sea moss is taken out. And we also soak it to ensure that it can cook and blend easy. And we put this in a pot with approximately 4 cups of water to boil. So once it has come to a boil, we boil it for 2 minutes, then let it cool before blending. Once it has cooled down, we pour it into our blender and we blend it until it's smooth. Ensure that you blend it really good, because if you do not blend it good, then it will not gel up in the fridge. Alright, so I'm going to pour this into all my jars, and I'm going to cover them and put them in the fridge, and I use it as I like. I'm going to make my awesome drink right now. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using. You can use the sea moss like this right now, or you can use it as a gel. When you put it in the fridge and after you take it out, this is how it looks like a gel form. I'm going to take out my tablespoons now. I use approximately 4 tablespoons and put it in my oats milk. So to make this wonderful drink, I'm using oats milk. It's vegan, it's dairy free. You can use regular cow's milk if you like. Then I'm going to go for my Jif peanut butter. You can use regular peanuts if you like, but I love to add peanut because this adds to the creaminess and the deliciousness. My peanut butter. Then I'm going to add some sugar for sweetening. You can use dates if you want a more healthier option. I'm going to add some vanilla, some cinnamon, and a banana. The banana helps out in getting it creamy. Since we're not using cow's milk, the banana adds that added creaminess. Why am I still holding that banana skin? Let me get rid of it. Alright, so we'll blend until smooth, just like this. Then we pour into our jug, and then we're going to add some malt. In Jamaica, we use Malta. Overseas, you have popular brands such as Goya. You can find a Goya brand and use some Malta. Once you pour the Malta in, you just mix it real good. The malt gives this nice, exquisite, sophisticated taste to the Seamoss drink. We pour over some ice. This is so delicious. And can you believe this is dairy free? It tastes so milky and creamy. We sprinkle with some cinnamon and we're done. Healthy, nutritious, and dairy free.